Social media marketing is a versatile career with roles ranging from social media manager to platform-specific specialists like TikTok ads experts. These professionals handle everything from content creation to analyzing campaign success. Let's explore what it takes to thrive in this dynamic field. A social media marketer wears many different hats. For anyone considering social media marketing as a career, here are some common job titles you might want to note down. Social media strategist, social media manager, social media marketing manager, social media director, head of social media marketing, and VP of social media. These are broader, more encompassing roles. Beyond these general roles, there are also more niche positions focused on specific platforms. For example, you might come across roles like YouTube videographer, TikTok ads specialist, Facebook ads manager, or Facebook marketing expert. These positions are centered around particular platforms. Additionally, you might encounter terms like media buyer, which typically refers to someone managing multiple platforms. Now, within these roles, your responsibilities will often include identifying business needs, defining target audiences, selecting platforms, creating content, engaging with followers, tracking results, analyzing data, and refining strategies. The scope of your job as a social media marketer will vary based on the company size, industry, and goals. For instance, larger enterprises might prioritize brand awareness, engagement, or recall, while smaller businesses may focus more on content creation, lead generation, and sales. Different industries offer unique opportunities and challenges when it comes to social media. Some industries restrict what content can be advertised. For example, certain companies, like those in politics, religion, or alcohol, face limitations on what messages they can convey through paid ads. Even legal industries have their own nuances. Social media strategies also shift throughout the year, especially during major product launches or specific seasons like the holidays. For instance, I used to manage product launches that happened every few months. After each launch, we'd assess the campaign's success and either scale it up or shift focus. Companies with frequent product launches, especially larger ones, require continuous adjustment of social media strategies. The time of year also impacts your social media approach. E-commerce businesses, for example, often ramp up during holiday seasons because of both gifting opportunities and the fact that people spend more time online. So, the role of a social media marketer can vary greatly. Flexibility and adaptability are key. Lastly, the structure of your team can influence your responsibilities. In some roles, you might be the sole marketer. In others, you could be part of a larger team. A needs assessment is one of the first steps a marketer should take when beginning any project. The reason this is so important is that it helps you gain a clear understanding of the company's goals, strategies, and what they aim to achieve through social media. So, when starting a needs assessment, the initial task is gathering information. It's essential to engage with key stakeholders within the company, as they'll have insights into how the business functions, including the business model, revenue figures, profit margins, and HR-related details. These stakeholders will play a crucial role in shaping the goals, mission, and available resources for a specific campaign. Once you've gathered some initial information, it's time to start assessing needs. One of the first steps I'd recommend, especially if you're entering the social media field, is to set up a meeting. Simply say, I want to sit down with you to understand your view of social media in the business and the potential impact it can have. You'd be surprised by the perspectives you'll hear, particularly from CEOs, often vastly different from those who have studied social media in depth. Another efficient method for collecting insights is through surveys. A simple Google survey is free, easy to set up, and allows you to gather responses that can later be analyzed using Google Sheets for basic analytics. If people don't have time for a meeting, just ask them to complete a quick survey, keeping it to 5-10 simple questions. If you're planning a contest, remember there's a legal distinction between a giveaway and a sweepstake. A contest may require formal terms and conditions, depending on the state's laws. A pro tip: Opt for a giveaway instead. It's much simpler legally, as no competition or judging is involved. When gathering information, also consider potential promotions like giveaways, which can help you meet goals since consumers love free stuff. Finally, conducting a SWOT analysis for social media, much like you would for a company's marketing strategy, is critical. Many businesses skip this step. Creating a social media marketing plan for each channel can really showcase your dedication to understanding the company's needs and improving engagement, audience growth, and content strategy. The final step is determining the most effective strategy and recommending what actions are necessary for a successful social media marketing campaign. For example, in my current work on multiple campaigns, how do I measure success? Well, it depends on the specific goals of the campaign. If it's focused on branding, success might be measured by metrics such as brand awareness, impressions, reach, or views. However, if the focus is more sales-driven, like for event ticketing companies, the key performance indicators will revolve around metrics like revenue, conversion value, return on ad spend, ROAS, lifetime value, average order size, sales, and upsell opportunities. These metrics are more aligned with direct response campaigns aimed at driving sales, so your recommendations will vary depending on the type of campaign being run. You can pause here if you'd like to jot down some notes about questions you can ask yourself at each step of the needs assessment. Now that we have discovered the diverse roles and responsibilities of social media marketers, as well as how understanding business goals and adapting strategies are key to success, let's take these insights a step further